Greeting, how are you viewers? Hope all of you are fine. Today we will make falafel, which will not deep fry. We fry them in very less oil. Before starting recipe, a little request to you. If you haven't subscribed my channel, then please do it and press the bell icon. By doing this you will be able to get the notification of my new videos. With this, like my Facebook page as well. Let's start the recipe. First of all, I get the boiled and slightly mashed chickpeas ½ kilogram. You can chop it with the help of chopper or with a crusher and see it's not paste. It's slightly mashed. You can see little pieces in it. You have to keep the same texture. Now we add some vegetables in it, which are coriander ½ bunch and mint ½ bunch, 1 spring onions white part, 1 cup spring onions green part. We add this in it. You can add vegetables according to your taste, less or more, but they must be dry. 1 tablespoon crushed garlic, white cumin powder ¼ teaspoon, salt 1 tablespoon, red chili powder ½ tablespoon, black pepper slightly crushed 1 tablespoon. Add in it. You can also increase or less it according to your taste. Bread crumbs, 5 tablespoons, sesame seeds, 2 tablespoons, optional, lemon juice, 2 tablespoons, sesame oil, 3 tablespoons. It will enhance its flavor. Now mix it well. We mixed it well. Now preserve it in the fridge after covering with the lid, because the ingredients will be not dry. So after half an hour we will start making falafel. I took oil and heated it. Get little mixture and shape it like patty. See? We made its patty and will put in it. Flame is medium-low. We will put as much easily we can. We bring out when they will golden fry. After putting them in, don't move instantly, let them fry for a while. You can get another falafel recipe video in my channel which made with raw chickpeas. When they will golden from one side, we will change their side. These two have the golden color. We will carefully change their side with soft hands, because they can break. Let me tell you a tip. If I have told you to keep for half an hour, you have to keep for half an hour. Otherwise, all the vegetables will release their water, and the falafel will fall apart. See how beautifully they have become golden color? And falafel is not break. Let's shallow fry them from other side. Look! Falafel are perfectly fried from both sides. We put them on the plate. One batch of falafel are ready and it's very hot right now. I show you. See, from this side. And from that side. From both sides our falafel are ready. And are quite crispy. Now I fry all falafel. And present them for final look. Look! Falafel are ready. I served them with pita bread, and if you want to see its recipe then you can get it from my channel. This is hummus. You can get its recipe from my channel as well. And also garlic sauce recipe. I made less oil French fries. You can get its recipe as well. This is vinegar salad which I made at home. You can get its recipe as well. If you like this recipe, then share with your family and friends. Subscribe to our channel. Must press the bell icon. By doing this you will be able to get the notification of my new video. With this, like our Facebook page. I will return with a new video. Goodbye.